At Volvo, we're really proud of our history being a leader in innovation around safety. We will always start with safety as our ground.
Volvo and Luminar are pioneering new areas of safety, where we will allow the car to take a bigger responsibility and make a better and more safe journey for the car user.
A key to safe autonomous drive is to have a complete understanding of the environment around you. The LiDAR provides a 3D map of the current environment up to 250 meters in advance, continuously as you drive. So a LiDAR is an absolute requirement for a safe autonomous drive.
We've been working with Volvo for over 3 years now to develop an autonomous driving system. It's exciting to be working with such a safety-centric brand with the series production launch of an autonomous vehicle. Iris, our sensing system, will be integrated into the roof line of the vehicles seamlessly, a first for the industry.
When you see the integration on the roof, you know that it's a vehicle that safely enables true autonomy.
The whole next phase of safety really comes to safe autonomous driving, and that's what's coming in the next generation of Volvo models.
Our first autonomous drive technology will be for use on highways.
The rollout of autonomous functionality will be gradual. It needs always to be safe. Driver benefits of autonomous drives are huge. You are completely eyes off, hands off during a dedicated stretch of highway, so it's a big difference to daily life.
In addition to autonomous driving, we're exploring LiDAR's abilities in improving future active safety and driver assistance systems. If we find that this technology can enhance the performance of safety systems in our cars, LiDAR may become a new standard and be equipped in all cars.
The Highway Pilot will provide you a better user experience and additional safety. In the long run, going from A to B fully autonomous will radically improve safety in a completely new way for society.